The LMF Nitrogen Pack high-pressure compressor units for nitrogen generation is based on LMF's modular equipment design. Using a modular membrane system, nitrogen with a purity grade of up to 99% is generated and then compressed to up to 350 bar, with supply quantities of up to 2,350 standard cubic meters per hour. As well as the compressor units, the components for air treatment, gas separation and process control, together with the visual indicators, are installed in the container. The pre-compression of atmospheric air to a pressure of 11 bar is carried out by an oil-free rotary screw compressor. The two-stage rotary screw compressor for pre-compression and the piston compressor for the high-pressure range are driven by an electric or diesel motor. After recooling and condensate removal, the separation of the oxygen from the nitrogen takes place with a controllable purity in the 90 and 99% range, or with dew point optimization for optimal control of the drying operation in a modular membrane system. The nitrogen obtained in this way is compressed to a final pressure of as much as 350 bar in up to 3 additional compression stages. As well as generating high-pressure nitrogen, the same equipment can also be used to produce low-pressure nitrogen as well as low and high-pressure air. The LMF high-pressure compressor equipment for pipeline evacuation is based on the concept of the LMF booster compressor. On the one hand, the pipeline gas is used to supply the gas motor in the compressor equipment via a gas regulation section. On the other hand, to optimize the transfer pumping times, the pipeline gas is evacuated from the locked into live pipeline sections using LMF's patented fully automatic switchover into 1 or 2-stage compressor operation. This allows greenhouse gas emissions to be minimized and up to 1 million standard cubic meters per hour of natural gas to be repumped within 46 hours for further use. LMF transfer pump units are designed for autonomous, fully independent operation, can be used without restrictions on public roads, and fulfill legally mandated explosion protection requirements.